Your packaging isn't separate from your brand. It is your brand. It carries your identity, your positioning, and how the world remembers you. In today's competitive market, packaging isn't just a necessity. It's your first impression, your silent salesperson, your brand's identity. In physical form, whether you're a startup finding your space or an established brand scaling bigger, the right packaging changes how people see you. If you're looking for a custom packaging partner that delivers quality, flexibility, and reliability, we're here. Elite Custom Boxes. Every brand is different, and so is its packaging. That's why everything we create is fully customized, from size and structure to materials, printing, and finishing. Whether you need durable mailer boxes for e-commerce, folding cartons for retail shelves, or premium rigid boxes for luxury presentation, we design it around your product, not the other way around. And there's no minimum order quantity, whether you need 10 boxes or 10,000. Because growth doesn't always start big, but it should always look professional. When it comes to quality, we never compromise. Strong materials, precise printing, flawless finishing, careful inspection before delivery. That's why over 5,000 brands trust us. Working with us is simple. You share your idea. We bring it to life. We guide you on the best material and structure. Our designers support you, free of cost, and make sure everything is production ready. Once approved, production begins. Every box is double-checked, securely packed, delivered within 7 to 10 business days. No hidden charges, free shipping across the USA, and up to 20% off on your first order. Because your packaging isn't just a box, it's your reputation, your presentation, your growth. If you're ready to elevate your packaging, call or email info@elitecustomboxes.com. Let's build packaging your brand deserves. Elite Custom Boxes, built for brands that refuse to look ordinary.